Hello, traders. This is addzeros, and I'm gonna quickly share some of the ideas for the coming week. And I want to share the three stocks which are very bullish, and we have a strong momentum we have seen in the last week, and there is a big room for this stock to run. So let's quickly jump to it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel or to my blog to the websites, please see the link below and do subscribe to my channel. All right, so the first one is the JKS. If you look at the JKS, right, and we were tracing this JKS when it was around 30, and we had some good trades. And if you recall here, in the last week when we was in the 40, we wanted to run this, and this run I have identified 2 weeks ago. Now then, after that, it consolidated, moved back all the way down, and then we had the beautiful candle last week. So this is the daily candle. So if you look at it here, beautiful daily candle on the 43. So now what I see here, that the all-time high is all the way to the 85. The prior resistance we see on around the 48, and then the next resistance is on the 50. Right now it is trading on the 43, and it has a big room to run in the coming week. So I would advise you to keep an eye on this stock. It has a big potential for the stock to move up. Given the look at the candle size, the 5 million shares, 43. So this setup looks really interesting and is over the prior resistance here. So we have a big room to run. So keep this stock uh, on your radar. The next one is Baba. So, the market has recently run. The Baba is a very strong company. A lot of people wanted to own this share of this company. And in the last few weeks and a month, we have seen that it is lagging. Even despite the Nasdaq rally, the Baba was lagging on it. But yesterday on the Friday, it has a beautiful move. This week has a beautiful candle, very strong bullish candle. And what I would say that this stock has a good potential because all-time high is around the 320. Right now is the 228, and we have some resistance here on about 238 and 245. Its stock has a big potential to move up. So put this stock also on your radar. Next one is AI, and AI is also, if you recall, when it was in 50s, we traded a couple of times, we made good money. It moved all the way to the resistance on the 75 and then pulled back, and now again is trying to move back up. So I see there's a big potential here. There's a lot of room to run up. The all-time high is around 185. It almost 65% below the all-time high. We have a resistance now around the 80, and then the 73 and 80, but it has a big potential for to move up. So let's keep all these three stocks on on the radar for the coming week, on the bullish side, and we'll see how does it go. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.